Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about our inspections feature under the equipment module within FlowPath. Inspections are a great way to assign daily tasks or weekly tasks. For example, if you have managers that come in and need to visibly inspect pieces of equipment and kind of just check that list off. You can also generate work orders from those if they require any sort of repair or attention. So first I wanted to show you what it looks like on the work order dashboard here. You can see our top one under scheduled, work order 1483, is actually tagged as an inspection. So this is a great way to determine what's an inspection versus a requested work order. And if I click into that, much like a work order, you have all of your same tags. And then you have your list here and how many's been completed. So in this particular one, I have two different tasks. So I've set this up as a daily boiler inspection. And in that task, I want my tech or manager to come in and verify the boiler temperature here, which we have a meeting reader and that's required. So they can come in and input that. And then they can complete the item, which will turn green here. And then my second item here is just asking if they can verify any visible damages. So this is where it comes in handy to be able to create a work order. So let's say we can say predefined, yes, there are damages here. You can use this create work order button here to generate a work order to schedule that repair, or you can complete the item and then click out of the inspection here and move that to completed. So how do we create one? Inspections is going to live under your equipment module here on the left-hand side. So we'll select inspections from here, which will take you to the list that you've already generated. So here's the one that I set up earlier. We have our assigned user, our inspection items, and you can see the historical work orders under that as well. If you use this blue create inspection action button over here, this is going to bring up that template where you can start filling out the title, assigning your users and locations and equipment, choosing your cadence start and if it's repeated or not. And then here's how you can add those inspection items. So if I type in item 1, I can select a piece of equipment and then give it a longer description. Clicking the create item button will then add your item 1 up here. And then you can add as many of these as you want. So you can have one item up to 100 or more if needed. So these are great for any sort of like tour logs. As I mentioned, you can require image uploads. And then once you're done, you can simply click update and that will save your inspection and start generating those on whatever cadence you select. So if you have any questions about inspections or how they work, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help.